Cottages, tiny homes, RVs, and campsites give you the opportunity to escape modern society and experience what nature has to offer. But there may not be plumbing lines or even septic tanks, so to ensure that you always have a place to relieve yourself when nature calls, it's a good idea to invest in an eco-friendly composting toilet. So in this video we will discuss 5 best composting toilets for off-grid. Don't worry, you will not face any hassle to find the product links. I will include the product links in the description. Number 1. Camco 41541 Portable Travel Toilet. Add this affordable Camco 41541 portable travel toilet to your list of camping must-haves to ensure that there is always a convenient place to go when nature calls. The Camco can also be used in a cottage, at home, or even as an emergency solution on the side of the road when there isn't an available toilet nearby. Despite being one of the most affordable travel toilets on the market, it isn't made with cheap material. Users can rely on the durable polyethylene construction to withstand scratches, gouges, and other damage that may occur when the toilet is used outdoors. When the tank is full, simply detach the waste storage tank for simple waste disposal according to the local regulations. Pros: inexpensive composting toilet. Lightweight design improves portability. Detachable waste storage tank for easy emptying. Durable construction for outdoor use. Cons: small tank capacity. Number 2. Nature's Head Composting Toilet. The Nature's Head self-contained composting toilet doesn't need to be permanently installed, but the bulky size makes it a poor option for camping or RV use. Instead, this self-contained composting toilet is an effective solution for a tiny home or a cottage. It doesn't take long to set up and weighs just 28 pounds. That said, the built-in fan only comes with a 12-volt plug, so if the plan is to connect the toilet to a standard 120-volt power source, it's important to also purchase a 12-volt adapter. Nature's Head composting toilets come with all the pieces necessary to install the toilet, including 5 feet of venting hose. It has a large tank capacity that should only need to be emptied about once every 4 to 6 weeks in a home with 2 adults. Pros: built-in fan. Includes all parts for direct venting. Urine diverting and waterless. Only needs to be emptied every 4 to 6 weeks. Cons: bulky size. Number 3. Dometic 970 Series Portable Toilet. The Dometic 970 Series portable toilet isn't going to be the right choice for users who are looking for a semi-permanent option that needs infrequent emptying because it has a small waste storage tank that should be emptied about once every day. However, for hikers and campers, this compact composting toilet is a convenient solution. The composting toilet is lightweight at just 11.7 pounds, making it easy to carry, pack, and set up. It has a built-in handle to improve portability, and a locking clasp to keep the toilet closed during transportation. In order to make the disposal process easier, the composting toilet is equipped with a rotating liquid waste spout. Pros: push-button flush. Lightweight and easy to carry. Durable construction for outdoor use. Full-size seat improves user comfort. Cons: small tank capacity. Number 4. Alpcour Portable Indoor and Outdoor Toilet. Making the switch to a portable composting toilet doesn't need to be uncomfortable. The Alpcour Portable Toilet comes equipped with several features to help improve the function and user experience, including a built-in piston pump flusher for a more powerful flush. If the piston pump doesn't quite get the job done, this composting toilet also has an attachable rinsing sprayer that uses water from the water storage tank to rinse any remaining waste into the self-contained system. The portable composting toilet is ideal for an RV or a boat because it's lightweight and easy to carry. It even comes with a travel case, so users don't need to struggle to grip the smooth, durable exterior. Just keep in mind that the composting toilet has a small tank capacity, so it may need to be emptied about once per day if the toilet is being used by more than one person. Pros: attachable rinsing sprayer. Piston pump flushing system. Lightweight and easy to empty. Includes a travel case. Cons: small tank capacity. Number 5. Separett Villa 9215 AC/DC Composting Toilet. The Separett Villa 9215 AC/DC composting toilet is a split-system product that's ideal for a semi-permanent installation at home or at the cottage. It diverts the incoming urine to a greywater system or a holding tank, while the solid waste is collected in a compostable bag for easy emptying. It comes with the parts required to support venting up to 20 feet, and it has a built-in, single-speed fan. The toilet isn't intended to be used without a compostable bag, and it has a tank capacity large enough for a family of 2 adults and 2 kids to regularly use the toilet, emptying once every 3 weeks. It weighs about 34 pounds, but it isn't designed for portability, so this shouldn't matter beyond the initial installation. Pros: built-in fan. Includes all parts for direct venting. Urine diverting and waterless. Comes with compostable bags and a waste container. Cons: complex installation process. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.